Solar City confirmed solar roof is getting a massive upgrade. Cybertruck Cyber Quad Robo Van. Tesla has come up with more innovative ideas than anyone else. Tesla's solar roof is also one such project, which is another greener approach taken by the company. It now comes with more power and higher efficiency. Tesla has had its ups and downs when we talk about solar roofs. However, after many delays, the company has now come up with a new solar roof tile with higher power capacity and greater efficiency. The company is now focused on making its solar products mainstream, hence the recent boost up. The beauty of Tesla's solar panels has grabbed attention widely from the get-go. And it undoubtedly has many advantages compared to the regular solar panels that we see. Hence, due to all the right reasons, the product could penetrate markets like new houses, and the ones that require a roof replacement. However, Tesla has experienced its fair share of issues while launching it to the market. The company had problems while testing for longevity, and the price fluctuation is an issue the company had to deal with while trying to develop a streamlined product. Tesla has significantly raised the prices of solar roof tiles after launching a new roof complexity factor. However, the price upgrade didn't affect the popularity of solar rooftop, and the demand for the product has only increased despite the price increase, and the installations are accelerating. The major updates Tesla has come up with is the introduction of a new, more powerful solar tile. Previously, Tesla used its ST60T1 tile with 58.5 watt capacity. However, now the company is quoting new orders and has started a fresh installation of its upgraded version, SR72T1 solar tile. The latest version offers high power and the output is 71.67 watts. Therefore, a 22% increase in the maximum power output was achieved by Tesla with the same tile size as the new version with more efficient solar cells. Thanks to its functions, Tesla has managed to develop more solar power with fewer solar tiles on a single roof. And it's pretty incredible. How the installation works is that along with tiles with solar power, the company will also install a few tiles that don't have the power, and they try to optimize every roof by putting in tiles with solar cells where they would be more efficient. If you take a look at the roof from the angle of the ground, you won't be able to differentiate between the solar tiles and non-solar tiles as it all looks the same. So with the help of fewer solar tiles, the installation process will be simplified as it will only require fewer electrical connections between tiles. Based on the new tile datasheet, we came across an interesting point. Tesla can install these new versions of solar tiles over the existing roofs. The datasheet specified two types of roofs, a 3-tab composition shingle and a single-layer architectural composition shingle. According to reports, Tesla is focused on accelerating the adoption of its solar roof tiles. In order to do so, they have been trying to standardize the product, and independent roofing companies are allowed to install them. The company is also pushing to get more orders for solar roofs. It can be understood through the referral program, which remained for quite some time. They even increased it to $500 to scale up the sector. So Tesla, in association with Solar City, introduces a solar roof system that incorporates solar cells and modules inside the roof, rather than fixing it on just panels on a roof. Tesla uses solar cells with high efficiency and is manufactured by Panasonic. The roof is covered with a color louve film so that the cells blend into the roof while it gets sun's exposure. It also has tempered glass affixed on the top for increased durability of the product. Tesla revealed that a typical homeowner would have to pay $21.85 per square foot for a solar roof, and to begin taking orders. The product comes with a lifetime of the house warranty, and about 30 years of power generation followed by the electricity production. The company estimates that the product will be cheaper than regular ones, or will be able to pay for itself by saving up electricity virtually. The product comes in 4 different versions: slate glass tile, smooth glass tile, textured glass tile, and Tuscan glass tile. The product was first launched about 6 years back at a joint event with Solar City and Tesla. Following the year after its launch, Tesla began taking orders for the first version of solar roofs with a $1,000 deposit in 2018. The product was all sold out. For those homeowners who want a new roof and solar panels soon, Tesla roofs will make a perfect choice. But if you don't need a new roof, going for a standard solar panel installation is preferred. Energy storage prices vary depending on your property and market. So comparing features and prices with other installers can ensure you get the perfect energy solution. Good news, Tesla can now sell residential solar equipment leases in Florida. The commission in Florida stated that the solar equipment lease doesn't include the sale of electricity, and Tesla can now happily sell residential solar equipment in Florida. So neither the tech company nor consumers will have to face commission regulations for installing solar roofs. The law clearly states that leasing renewable energy devices is legal if electricity is not sold to the customer. We are already aware that Tesla has become an expert in innovating and revolutionizing any sector. There is a reason why Tesla is known as the king of the industry. So it should come as no surprise that the company is upgrading and boosting up the capabilities of solar roofs. Tesla revealed that they are coming up with ideas to speed up the installation process and are swapping the use of traditional and external wires. When they do so, wiring can be eliminated for each module, and individual drainage blocks and mounting blocks will not have to mount PV modules anymore. So the installation process will speed up, helping the homeowners to save money in the process. So as to meet its demand, Tesla is scaling up production. One reason why people are hyped up about every news article about Tesla's solar roof tiles is that the company has delayed production of their tiles. Tesla began selling their solar roofs back in 2017. And their initial plan was to kick off production and increase installation the following year. However, the installation has been very limited and volume production has been delayed until now. However, recently, Tesla announced that the company is ramping up solar rooftops production and have upgraded their goals to manufacture the product. Notably, the company had to come across many challenges while performing accelerated testing. Now the company is confident about their product. Tesla's setting its foot in the roofing industry has shown us what the future holds and the opportunities it has to offer. Although Tesla's solar roof tiles were initially expensive, the cost is expected to decrease over time. It is why everyone is excited about Tesla's solar roof tiles and the future it holds in general. At this point, we know why Tesla has managed to remain in the game for quite some time. The company knows people's needs and is trying to come up with greener alternatives to ensure that the ecosystem is balanced well through such initiatives. Tesla's solar upgrade will play an important role in development of this amazing company, as the facts and figures tell that. For now, we have to just see these upgrades and use them. That's at the end of the video. Hope you like this video, plus thank you for spending some time with us, and please let us know in the comments section below about the video. A gentle reminder: subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one, and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new uploads. Hey people, you thought it was great to see this video. If you want to see which videos we have on our channel, then you can click above.